That's it. Thank you. We're going. We're leaving. Thank you very much. That's it. Bye. Love you. Hey. So, boarding time na nga, and today we are flying with Cebu Pacific.
ラリトをお閉めください。窓のブラ、電子タバコ、一切の喫煙。
We left Manila around 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and arrival in Japan is estimated to be around 7 p.m. in the evening. The flight time itself is 4 hours. Pero time difference between Manila and Japan is 1 hour.
Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific.
Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Kansai International Airport in Japan.
At kami nga po ay naglanding na dito sa Osaka. Gandang-ganda ako sa runway nila na iba't iba yung color. May green, may blue, may red. Parang Pasko lang. Thank you. So, dito kumuha kami ng SIM card, saka nagpapalit na rin kami ng yan. Kumuha din pala kami ng iCoca card para sa kanya. Tapos ako na-reactivate ko lang yung Suica card ko from before. Narating na din namin ang hotel namin. That's already the station. We are on our way to Tamada Station. So, papunta na po kami sa Tamada Station, which is the nearest station from our hotel. Okay, our first ride. So, today, pupunta na kami sa Osaka Castle, and then afternoon, pupunta naman kami sa Dotonbori. The train ride takes about 28 minutes. So, from here, mga 19 to 20 minutes walk pa siya to Osaka Castle. And then, nakita din namin tong old building na to. And based on my research, it says Kofun Era Warehouse. So, ayan. Isa siyang warehouse. Osaka Museum of History! We're not going there though. Okay.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine, love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it.
And sa wakas, nakakita rin kami ng cherry blossoms. Mga ilang puno lamang siya, so hindi maiwasang magkaroon ng pila kasi syempre lahat gusto magkaroon ng pictures ng cherry blossoms.
I would like to tell you my name is
modern civilization and the traditional castle. This is like time travel. Ooh, civilization. We are now here in Dotonbori, Osaka's food and fun hub. So we were just planning to look around and do some shopping maybe, and of course to taste the foods here in Japan. Those Kit Kats, look. These ones